Unique blend. Based on the blends used to clean lakes and rivers, Special Blend is a formulated mixture of both spore-based and photosynthetic vegetative strains of nutrients that creates a stable biological system in freshwater and saltwater tanks. Reduce maintenance frequency. Special Blend breaks down hard-to-degrade substances, fish food remnants, organic waste, and more, that create sludge and decrease water quality. It biologically removes nitrate from water. Fish health benefits. Special Blend Aquarium Conditioner creates a healthy environment for any fish. Along with a natural boost to improve coloring, fish will digest more food, creating less food waste. Reduced ammonia levels create cleaner water. Safe for use in a reef tank. Special Blend is safe for all fish, invertebrates, and plants in fresh, brackish, and salt water. You will see better coloring and polyp extension from your corals when used regularly. Works great in planted tanks. In addition to its cleaning ability, Special Blend increases carbon cycles and nutrient uptake in plants, resulting in better growth. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing product. This product is amazing. Yes, it may smell for a minute or two, but that's a very small price to pay for the results. No kidding, I've used everything and this is my number one now. I still use Prime with water changes from tap, but I use very little. My overall tank is 100 times better since using this and Therap. I can't say enough great things. My fish health, the water overall, the plants, etc. It's great, give it a shot, you have nothing to lose.